Hi, welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to first time going to make a video about the camera and camera gear. And today you can see this is my camera, R6 Macro. This is my first camera, and I'm using this one. And I did a lot of photography about the wildlife, and portrait photography is a very nice performance. It's very nice, and I'm using this since last 2023 November. I buy first time this one, and I'm working with this, and I got a very nice result with it. And this lens, which is I got with the camera, there's a RF lens 224 to 105, and this is the very this is the very perfect lens for the normal photography. And it's not like a super wide angle, but okay type of this L series lens and f4 lens. And I'm using this since when I buy this. I'm very satisfied with lens. But for the wildlife photography, I need one lens for the, which is telephoto lens, which is I can take the object very closer and I can make a shot. So I was very excited to buy the lens, right? But this the photography is quite not very low budget. I think it's a little bit expensive. Everything's camera expensive, lens are expensive, right? Other gear are expensive. So a little bit like me, I like normal people, a little bit need to make arrange make a budget, and all those things come together. So I also very excited to buy the lens and use for the photography. But I was very excited to buy the newly launched lens, which is RF 200 to 800 mm Canon lens, zoom lens. And when I buying this camera, at the same time it was launched, and many people are reviewing and making the video about this my lenses. But for me, little bit complicated to get this lens, because it was very new and newly launched in the market. And I like to buy this, but not in the market. I make order, but very tight, and I don't know where it's going lens, and maybe there's a lot of demand, right? And it was a little bit complicated to get the lens. So still I was using with this, and I had many photography with this lens. It's very nice, very perfect. Very satisfying with this this lens and the camera as well. So, but finally I able to get this RF 200 to 800 lens, which is today with me. So this is the lens. Finally it's with me now. So let's open it. I'm so excited to see this, right? And this is like my dream lens pretty much, because it took me a lot of time. I mean, I ordered very before, and several shop Canon store I make order, but there's a queue, right? When they get one piece and they give one guy, and another lot they get another piece, they give another, because there's a very long queue. So finally my turn come, and finally I got this lens. So let's make unboxing and see how it is inside. And after this one, I will go in the field and I will make a photography, and I will give my own review. This is not by sponsor, so I can give them my own review, how it looks, how is the performance, right? And especially in a day and a night, right? And the light, because this zoom lens is a F6.3-9 aperture, so a little bit high this one 9 is, but yeah, a small budget, this is what we get. But I'm really appreciate Canon to get they able to make this 200 to 800 like a Nikon. Sony doesn't have this lens. They have the 200 to 600, 150 to 600, even Sigma. So those guys doesn't have 800, but this is the very progressive the Canon that is able to make 300 to 800. It's a really interesting. So today I got this one. Let's make a opening and see unboxing, whatever it's called. So okay, and I have saw in the YouTube video they getting the like in the one carton box or something, but here I got with the proper Canon box with the photo, everything. So let's see how's inside. Okay, this is some paper, maybe this warranty, yeah, warranty card, this one. And then let's open this. Okay, and inside the box there are another box. Wow. Okay, this is the box. This is another box. Wow. Then another unboxing. Okay. Here is the deal. Okay. This is the strap for the lens. Quite nice. Canon. Not the like a red, but this is black only. I don't know, because maybe this is the not the L series. Maybe that's why. Normally camera have red, but this was the only black. They're providing this. So yeah. Wow. Here is the lens. Wow. I saw in the video it's a slim lens, but when it is in my hand, it's quite big. Wow. This is the lens hood, and this is the lens. Wow. Wow, that's a piece of art. So big, I mean, compared to camera, this is my old lens, the 24 to 105. It looks very short compared to this. Wow. So let's on this. Crystal clear glass. Wow. And we can make zoom. Wow. It's also long. I mean, you can feel it's like you're carrying the big lens. And here's autofocus and manual focus. This is for control. I don't know, you can see or not. And stabilizer also on and off. This is good things to have a stabilizer and control. And there's a tight and smooth. There's one ring for the tight and smooth, I think. And this is the control ring. So yeah, I really like, I mean, very nice. It's a white lens, but it's not like other L series color. Is a little bit different color. So yeah, it's just a big, nice. Okay, here is a quite big. Let's install the hood on it. Yeah, after the hood, it's look real big, and I don't know how big you'll appear in the video, but in front of me is it looks very good, big, super big. So let's connect the camera. How it looks. Okay, shoot open. Okay, I hope not fell down. Wow, nice to fit. It's feel really big. You know, it's not like a big like a prime lens. Prime lens is such a big, but when you open, is it looks like it's a longer like a prime lens, very long, but its a size is not a big like a prime lens. But yeah, for me, yeah, for the small budget who's like me, those with interest in the photography but doesn't have a big a budget. And for those guys, this is like a blessing. I mean, such a nice piece of art and nice glass, because we can open 200 to all the way to 800. So it's a very big deal for us, right? So I saw the many professional photographer also loving this lens. They're using for the daily basis, but the thing is also like me, those are interested in photography but doesn't have a big budget, doesn't have a big fan following in the YouTube, or only interested on it and doesn't have the income from the photography. For them also it is suitable, and they can buy also. And those who are able to buy the full frame camera next budget, they can buy this lens. It's a very nice and a blessing type of. So it's, I don't want to say blessing, but yeah, it's really helpful. Before, the Canon has this 800 and 600 f11 lens, and when I buy this camera, I was thinking to buy that lens because only those lenses is in the budget, because especially in RF mount we cannot use a Sigma, we cannot use a the another EF lenses, right? So a little bit complicated. But when I saw 600 and 800, this the RF lens f11, I was thinking to buy RF 800 f11. But when I buy this camera, and after I think it's 1 week later, I saw in the some professional who are advertising and review unboxing this lens. So when I saw, I was really excited. So I make the dream lens, this one, and I'll buy this. So definitely I'll buy this one. But after launch in the market, but I make order. I a lot of shop. I ask them to order for me, but not possible. And I make a order in the Canon shop, but there's a lot of queue. And after the long time, after long time, pretty much 6 months later, only I get my turn and I got this. So it is very exciting, right? I got today. So, and this is my second lens, by the way. This is my first lens which is come with the camera. It's a really nice lens. When I have this one, I can do many things with this lens. Even though I went with the wildlife photography, I cannot take the bird photography because they're very small and far. But like a big mammal, like a elephant, like a rhinos, like a deer, and like a tiger, easily can get this the 100 lens, because they are big and we can go quite closer as well. And I get a very nice shot with this lens as well. But finally I got this lens. I'm super excited, and after this video I will go for the photography, and I will bring the photos together, and my review, my feedback, everything. I hope this R6 Mark II and this RF 200 to 800 combination will be very good. I believe that, right? But we have to see in the field how it's work. So both are the latest, and this also launched in 2023, and this launched also in 2023, beginning and the ending. So this both are with me. Finally I got this lens. So let's see in the field how it's work. And please, thank you so much for being with me, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I'm just starting now. Please support me, and don't hesitate to subscribe my channel. Please subscribe, and I'm doing the unboxing video as well.